Hi, this is Neil Waterhouse and welcome to the No Fluff ad-free channel and academy that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living online from their home using less than $100. I've been selling full-time online for over 20 years. However, what I'm the most proud of is my students have sold over $1 billion on eBay, Amazon and their own websites. I'd like to introduce you to some of these people and I'll be honoured to help you on your online journey too. I know at the beginning it can be scary, but it's a lot easier today to build your own online business than ever. Building your own online business today, it's not rocket science. Today it's just about following a step-by-step proven formula, one baby step at a time. Building your own online business today, it's literally like building a Lego set. All you need to do is start at step one, complete that baby step, and then move to step two. That's all my students have done to build 6- and 7-digit dropship businesses. Now, building your own 6- 7-digit dropship business is exactly the same. Just follow the same proven formula. The fastest way to achieve success in anything in life is to just follow a proven formula, i.e., like a recipe. However, over 95% of people who start online businesses today just guess their strategy. We call this best guess marketing. Now, guessing is okay for playing board games with the kids, but you really don't want guessing to be part of your online business strategy. I'm going to help you take the guesswork out of building an online business and walk you through every step you need to succeed. Below, I've laid out some videos to help you get started so you too can become one of the next case studies. I'm Neil Waterhouse and I welcome you to the channel, and I'd be honoured to help you on your online journey too.